Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from teifoc. This is kit number 910, and it's from the front cover photo here. It's two window frames as well as a door set as well. So here you can see the contents in multiple languages. Again, the photo of the items. We continue on the sides. Here's a suggestion photo for usage with other teifoc pieces. Here's some more information on safety for in other languages. Barcode, kit 910 again. Different photo from the front as well as there. A little pricing information at the time. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pieces themselves. So, no instructions that I see. Not sure if any were included originally, but pieces do already come assembled. And you can see they do move. There's quite a bit of a setback for these window pieces, as well as for the door piece as well. So depending on which direction you want to mount this. And the door does hinge in both directions, which I think is kind of interesting. The windows only open in one direction. So take another look here, closer look at the molding, pretty smooth. I mean, if you want to finish them in different colors, you might just have to scuff them up a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of an injection mold there that just needs to be touched up. You can see there the texture as well along the door frame and window frames as well. So there are those little injection mold circles there you might want to touch up. But taking a quick look at a window and door set from teifoc number 910. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos in the channel. We used to do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.